Hey, put the ball on there. Put the ball up. You can do it. You just did it. Get the ball. No, get the ball and put it up there. Oh, get the ball. You want Daddy to do it? You want some help, please? Help? Okay. Okay, Elena. Go ahead. There you go. I wish you'd use two hands, though. Okay, do it again. Yeah, well, you're hitting just the ball. That's a good start. There you go. Yay! Lola, leave it. Lola, you want to play too? You going to be the outfielder? Okay, here. Here. Here's the ball. You know how to do it. Whoops. Here. Try it. Lola, leave it. Okay, you want Daddy to help? Help, please. Yeah, twins. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, hit it. Very good. Say thank you, Uncle Mark. Hey, say thank you, Uncle Mark. Say thank you, Uncle Mark. Thanks, Uncle Mark.